What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now you know we gotta fix that now. We done broke it. And cousin Paul broke it. What are you guys doing? As you guys know, we had it at the track. About hit a wall. We gotta fix that. We're in a hurry, don't we?
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that on Chinese side.
If I'm being honest, guys, these cars are getting old. We have live streams about things that you should replace and things that you should look at. And I'm gonna be honest with you. These done rotors and these calipers done been through war and back. Yes, many times, over 100 miles an hour. And if I'm being honest again, it's about time for them to get replaced, especially on this one. And as you can see in here, it's clear as day. There's a lot of cracking on that rotor. That thing's been through war, and I'm pretty sure that this caliper is sticking. All right, so what do we have planned? Me and cousin Paul are actually gonna dig into Dad's front end of his brakes and his rotors and the setup. And as you can see him here, you know, this is the Summit, bring that down. This is the Summit right-hand rotor that this was actually on back order for a while. And of course, we run cheater rotors in Dad's car. We've been running them like that for many years. But that's not really the right answer, but it is an answer. We had to stick with the cheap bearings on a couple of them. What's wrong with you, man? You all right? We had to stick with a couple cheap bearings because that's all they had for now. Because everything, just like everything else, is on back order. This box done seen better days. This is the left side, so that's the driver's side. So cousin Paul's already got the wheels loose. Shouldn't take us too long, but we're actually going to replace the calipers too, as we had a set of new calipers from a long time ago that we had never actually swapped over. So we're actually doing a caliper swap as well. We're not gonna paint them yet because, you know, I don't want to get into painting them and then fail. But we'll get these put on too with the new hoses. Maybe, just maybe, if we get the brakes bled, I could put some fuel in it, take it on a quick brake check, put it back in the trailer, maybe go make some hits tonight. So not real bad of a maintenance thing. Should only take us about an hour, hour and a half. And we're gonna take you through and show you some of the carnage of a car, a stock car that's been raced at 100 mile an hour plus for a number of years now. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Put you on a couple time lapses. Let's get this car up and get ready. Yep, did want to come in here and pretty sure this caliper was sticking when you you know what you do? Go in there and press on that brake real quick for me. Dude, these hoses have seen better days too. We may have to skip the hoses though. I mean, I don't know. You ready? Can you reach it? Let go. Ready? Go ahead. Let go. Yep, look at that.
Stick it.
Watch. Do it again. Stop. Yep, it drags right after it's. Whoa.
What?
I think the rotor's warped. All right, let's get it off. Yeah, we should probably just change the hose. We just change the calipers for now. You know what I mean? Go hit that. Do the same thing with the brakes inside.
The left one was the one sticking.
Yeah, but we'll look anyways. Yeah, see, that rolls really good. That other one was dragging hard. Look at that, guys. Look how nice that spins. The other one doesn't spin like that at all.
Ready?
Yep. Let go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good?
Yep. So yeah, you can see right there, just showing you guys the two rotors. This one spins really good and really free. You hit the brake, it's supposed to stop, and then it's just free. This one over here is definitely warped. Not only warped, but broken to where it was sticking, and I don't know. I mean, it's just wore down anyways. It needs to be thrown out. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get these things off. I don't even know if we're gonna change the hoses. because it'll make it a little bit easier for us just to get. We'll go back in and change them another day if we feel like we're still having a problem, but we shouldn't have an issue right now. To be honest with you guys, these cars are just getting old. This is stuff that really needs to be gone through every so often, especially if you drive the cars hard like we do. And really, the car needs an alignment too, but you know, the alignment's not going to put us in the wall. Brakes will. Let's get busy. Zip it. Ooh.
Yeah. Good thing we're doing this.
Look how warped that
That's
is.
warped. Probably from all the heat.
That's pretty good too. Just send it. That's what they say, right? All right, guys, so we ran into sort of an issue. Apparently the rotors that I had ordered are not the correct rotors. So what I need to do is head down to Summit Racing to exchange them for the correct rotors. Hopefully they're in stock. If they're not, then that's just what I have to deal with. But at least returning them won't be an issue. What Cousin Paul's going to actually do is he's going to keep grinding down on Dad's car here. He's going to pop this rotor off and this lines, and we're just going to go ahead and put the new caliper and the new line on, and he's going to get the old rotor off and pretty much set up to where that when I come back to the shop, all I got to do is just pack the grease on the bearings and such and just throw the rotors on the calipers and be done with it. Then we'll just bleed the brakes tomorrow or whatever, so fix Dad's car. We actually got to get the car aligned too, so that's on the agenda as well. And this is, you know, guys, this is what that has to happen with these old cars. I mean, this is just maintenance that probably needed to be done a long time ago. All right, so change of plans in Dad's car. We ended up pulling out an old set of 5-lug converted ones, and we got the proper, you know, obviously the seals and stuff. So we're gonna wipe this out real quick and go ahead and slam this back together. We don't have time to be waiting on back orders because that's exactly what's going on. Sometimes you guys just got to go budget. We kind of got ahead of ourselves here, but we just dug a pair of old 5-lug cheetah rotors that we had. They were brand new when we got them. They were literally, were on a car and had like no miles on them. But these are brand new calipers, brand new pads. You know, we put brand new banjo in. So we're going to finish the other side. Not going to really time lapse it or whatever. But we're going to, you know, hit the brakes with the bleeds and see if it works pretty good. Be back to show you the spin off. All right, so we got both sides done. Nothing really to write home about here. It is a 5-lug cheater rotor from probably a Lincoln or a Mark 7 or something, I don't know. We just left the old line on because it worked good, it looked clean, and put that new caliper on because both of them were stuck and broken. So, really kind of boring stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and stick a GoPro in the car. We're gonna go take it down the street and check the brakes, bring it back. All right, so we got Dad's car done. All I gotta do is lock down the wheels. We got a brake bled pretty good. It has a really good pedal now. It had a pretty soft pedal before, so I mean that was dangerous going that fast at that mile an hour. But you know, you can see that you can see all the bleeding that we did. So you know, if I'm fast enough, I can still make it to the track because it's only like 3 o'clock, 3:15. About 2.5 hours they open up, so I can take my time and get this thing loaded. And, I don't know. Let's go find out. Let's go see if I got motivation to do it. All right, let's go take a ride in it real quick. Then we'll load it back in the trailer. We'll see if it actually works better this time. Tires. I like that. Well, the brakes work pretty good. They work a lot better. It's going to take a little bit for them to get wore in a little bit, but all I'm doing out here is trying to get them hot. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you today. I appreciate everybody for watching the video. You know, these calipers and those rotors were definitely seen better days. You know, these cars are starting to get older, so you guys got to get out there and check this stuff. Like I said earlier in the video, there's live streams that we go through. Go check out those live streams because there's a lot of hidden information in there that you might apply to your Foxbody, whether in stock form or modified. If you guys enjoy the channel, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe on the way out. I appreciate everybody on the membership, as there's a join button below to support the channel. There's also super thanks there to support the channel as well. But outside that, guys, I just appreciate you watching and the watch time. And we did end up going to the track, so stick around for a sneak peek as we will be showing you that video later this week. Thank you. See you soon.